Okay, this is a question where it's asking you to sort shapes. Now this is a Venn diagram, and in this area here it wants the shapes that are symmetrical, and in this area here it wants the shapes that are quadrilateral. In this area here, where the two combine, it wants the shapes that are both symmetrical and quadrilateral. Now we know symmetrical means that if you were to put a line down the middle, you could fold it perfectly and the corners would meet exactly. Now this shape here is the square, and we could fold it that way and the corners would meet perfectly. We could fold it that way and again the corners would meet perfectly. So it is a symmetrical shape. Now it is also a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, so that means it would need to go into that area in the middle there. Now if I took this shape here, this shape does have 1, 2, 3, 4, it does have 4 sides. However, there is nowhere on this shape where you could fold it where the corners would meet perfectly and it would be the same on both sides. So it is not symmetrical, it is just a quadrilateral, so it will stay in that area there on the Venn diagram. This shape here, now if we have a look at this one, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so it's not a quadrilateral. There is also nowhere on here where we could fold it where it would be exactly the same on both sides and the corners would meet perfectly. It is not symmetrical, it is not quadrilateral, it's what I would call a red herring because it doesn't deserve to be on that Venn diagram at all. So we leave it down there, there's nowhere we're going to put it. This one here, if we have a look, 1, 2, 3, not a quadrilateral, so you've got 3 sides. And again, it's not a perfect triangle. There's nowhere I could fold that where it would be the same on both sides and the corners would meet exactly. Again, doesn't deserve to be on the Venn diagram at all. Now if we look at this one here, this one is symmetrical. I could put a line straight down the middle there and it would fold perfectly, and straight across the middle there, again, it's the same on each side. So it is symmetrical. And 1, 2, 3, 4, it does have 4 sides, so it's going to belong here with the square in the middle there. And then that's all the shapes sorted to their accurate places.